Welcome to the SIG Sauer Experience Center.
Thanks so much.
There you go. Thank you.
The P365 is chambered at 9mm and comes with day-night sights and a 17-round magazine.
Yeah, keep it way up high.
Thanks for coming in. Have a good day. I think this one's a good pick.
There they are.
Can't wait to get that one.
The SIG Sauer Next Generation Squad Weapon System represents the most advanced weapon system on the battlefield today.
Innovation, it's amazing.
Max Michelle has won 7 World Speed Championships.
They've been doing fantastic.
Adjust your focus a little bit more, you can see.
The range on these is amazing.
Yeah, you just got done at the range on the Club 1751.
Machines. Oh, can I grab that sugar over there?
Handgun 101 is the foundation of your handgun training. You can advance to 102, 104, and beyond.
320's modular system, that's all it takes to switch over the magazine catch. And that's it.
Okay, man.
SIG Sauer has a dedication to superior quality, reliability, and performance that has made the company a preferred choice of civilians, military, and law enforcement units worldwide, and has made SIG Sauer a global.
I think you'll really enjoy the coffee.
We just launched the P226 X5. It's made much better this time.
10 rounds, center body, lines up.
Shooters ready. Stand by. Go.